Hi guys, today I will tell you about the function dual pairing on Marshall Emberton's second speaker. This means that you can use both of the devices at the same time to play music. So let's figure out how it works. But first, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see more helpful content. So, first thing we need to do is to turn on the power on our speaker. So we need to press this gold button for about 2 seconds till we hear the voice sound until the indicator blinks red. Great, now we have to turn on the Bluetooth. We need to press on this button for about 5 seconds till it starts blinking. So now we need to turn on the Bluetooth on each of our devices. Let's say that this one will be device number 1 and this one will be device number 2. So we turn on the Bluetooth on the first phone and we find Emberton 2, click on it. Great, now it is connected. Now let's go to the device number 2. So we find the Bluetooth, turn it on. Now we find Emberton 2, click on it. And now it is connected as well. So now you can play music from each of your devices. For example, let's play music from the device number 1. If you want to switch to the second device, you just tap this on here. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.